Okay. Okay. Okay, sexy giggle. Okay, welcome, sexy giggle. Finding giggle.
Finding.
Okay, sweetie, 4 taps. 8 taps. Last 1 tap. Here we go. Sexy giggle. Alright, are you ready?
Ready.
Yeah, whoa. Oh, the butterfly. That's so stunning butterfly. I love the shining base. Alright, continue, sexy giggle. Here we go. Whoa. Scorpion! Oh, this color is so cute with a lot of black base. 1 minute, giggle, finding giggle. Okay, the baby next out. Whoa! Yeah, the white baby owl is so cute. Look at this, the color of hers, special. 1 minute, giggle, finding giggle. Okay, tiger. Whoa, with a lot of shiny base, a tiger. Whoa, so cute. Continue, giggle. Okay, a red fox. Yeah, so vibrant. I love the red color, vibrant one. Continue, giggle. So it got the lizard. Wow, what's the brown face? Yeah, it's a irregular color. So good. Okay, continue, giggle. Okay, butterfly with a lot of flowers. Yeah, so cute. Just like the United States flag. 1 minute, yeah, giggle. Whoa, a different style butterfly. Just like the amber. Yeah, and this one is a unique one. 1 minute again, giggle. Okay, purple chicken. Yeah, so cute. You're gonna love the purple chicken. Continue, giggle. Oh!
Balloon's coming.
Giggle. Summer. Oh, butterfly. That's the summer one. Giggle. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you, get Bluetooth. So cute. Yeah, love the colors. Whoa, excellent. Plus 3 bags, giggle. Whoa. 3 a lot. Continue. Okay, giggle. Whoa, okay. A purple butterfly. Yeah, the small one. 1 minute, giggle. Here we go. Yeah, the red fox. Yeah, so cute too. Continue, giggle. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god, Giggle.
Banana banana.
Yeah, it's the first picture.
Oh, you did a bird purchase there. Oh, you got two.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, giggle.
Giggle.
Oh, Miko, get the color of Miko, bring your good love. Congratulations, Giggle. Oh, that's so good. Oh, plus 3 bags again. Really a nice horse. Alright, continue, Giggle. That's so cute. Okay, butterflies. Yeah, so 31. It's so cute. Continue, Giggle. Hummingbird. Oh, with a magenta color. Let's take it. 1 minute again, Giggle. Okay,